Welcome back to the channel, beauty lovers. If you're someone who takes the care of your feet seriously and wants a product that can deliver results while being easy to maintain, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about the ForPro Professional Collection Stainless Steel Pedi File Kit, a highly specialized tool that promises to give your feet a salon-quality treatment right at home. This pedicure file kit is all about durability and practicality. The main file is made from stainless steel, which makes it 100% sanitizable and easy to clean. No more worrying about germs or buildup. Plus, it's designed to last. The kit comes with 6 black 80 grit refill strips for heavy-duty smoothing of rough, calloused heels, and 6 white 180 grit refill strips for gentler exfoliation. The dimensions of the file itself are 8.5 inches in length, a comfortable size for handling with ease. When I first opened the kit, the first thing that stood out was the ergonomic handle. It's not only comfortable to hold, but also strong enough for continuous use without causing strain. As someone who likes to get into every nook and cranny of my feet, I can tell you this handle made the process so much smoother. As far as performance goes, I put it to the test on my own feet, which often suffer from dry, cracked heels. The black 80 grit strips are perfect for tackling rough patches. They're sturdy and provide a strong abrasive action without being too harsh. The white 180 grit strips, on the other hand, are great for a more gentle smoothing effect, ideal for when you just want to touch up without over-exfoliating. Another great feature is the easy strip peel-off backing for the refills. This made replacing the strips quick and easy without any frustration. I did notice the refills stay in place very well thanks to the water-resistant adhesive, ensuring no slipping during use, even when wet. The file felt sturdy throughout the entire process, giving me confidence it would handle long-term use. Now, onto the pros and cons. Pros: sanitizable stainless steel. The fact that you can easily sanitize the file is a huge plus for anyone concerned about hygiene, especially with pedicure tools. Ergonomic handle. It's designed for comfort, making it easy to use for extended periods without tiring out your hands. Versatile grit strips. The 2 different grit options allow you to customize your pedicure based on how intense you want the exfoliation to be. Refills are easy to replace. The easy strip backing makes swapping out the refills a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Durability. The steel construction ensures this will last for a long time, which justifies the price for me. Cons: replacement strips. While the refills are easy to replace, they may be difficult to find locally in stores, and you might need to order them online regularly. Large size. The file is a little bigger than some other foot files, so it may not be as suitable for those with smaller hands who prefer a more compact tool. Price. This file is on the pricier side compared to basic foot files, but considering the quality, I think it's justified. When we talk about value for money, the price is definitely higher than a basic foot file. But I personally feel the durability and sanitization aspects make it worth the investment. If you're someone who frequently treats your feet or even offers pedicure services, this tool will pay for itself over time. In terms of comparisons, I've seen similar steel files on the market, but none come with the same versatility in the form of 2 different grits and a handle that allows for extended use without discomfort. The sanitization factor is also something I haven't come across much in other tools in this price range, so that's a definite win for me. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the stainless steel construction really shines. This isn't a flimsy tool. It's built to last and can be disinfected easily, making it a great option for both home use and professional settings. The file doesn't show signs of wear after multiple uses, and the adhesive on the refills holds up well even after getting wet. In terms of customer support, I didn't personally need to reach out, but ForPro has a reputation for offering good customer service, and they're known for responding to inquiries promptly. If you do run into any issues with the file or refills, you can expect quick assistance. There have been no major updates to the product, and as far as I'm aware, no reformulations or packaging changes. So this is the current top-performing version. For those who might be eyeing a more affordable alternative, there are plenty of basic foot files out there, but they don't offer the same durability or hygiene benefits as this stainless steel one. If you're on a budget, you can try a plastic file with abrasive strips, but you won't get the same long-term value. Final verdict. The ForPro Professional Collection Stainless Steel Pedi File Kit is an excellent tool for anyone serious about foot care. It's durable, hygienic, and customizable, making it a great option for both personal and professional use. If you're willing to invest a bit more, this tool will likely become a staple in your beauty routine. I'd recommend this for anyone with rough, cracked heels or those who simply want a high-quality file that will last for years. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this honest review too. Your support really helps us keep making content like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried this file, let me know in the comments below what your experience has been. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.